Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on your Mac. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser. In my case I'm going to open Safari, but you can use any other browser you want and search for Python. And the first link most probably which will appear here will be from python.org. So just click this link, which is python.org. And here you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now in order to download Python on your Mac, you just need to go to downloads, and then this website will automatically recognize that you are on Mac OS, so it's going to give you the downloads for your Mac OS. Now there are two versions you can see here. One is 3.6.0, which is the latest version, and one is the legacy version, which is 2.7.13, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to download the latest version, which starts from 3. Any number. If you are watching this video in the future, it can be 3.7, 8 or 9 or any version. So we are going to download and install this version, which starts from 3. Okay, so just click download button here, and it's going to start the download, and in some time your download will be completed. So just wait for the download to complete, and once the download is complete, we are ready to run it. So just go to the download section here and then click this option which says Python 3.6 Mac OS.pkg version, right? So just double click on this Python file which you have downloaded, and I'm going to minimize the browser, and you can see this kind of installation wizard start. Okay, so you just need to click continue at this step, and then you just need to read license terms and condition, and if you agree with those license terms and condition, just click continue, and in here also once again click continue, and it says you need to agree to the license, so just click agree. And then in this step you just need to click install, and in between you will be asked to give your password, so you just need to give your password and then click install software, and then the installation of Python will start on your Mac. And you just need to wait for some time until this progress bar reaches to the 100% mark, and once it's completed we will see how we can open Python, and then how we can use it. So now Python is installed on our Mac. You can see the installation is successful. So we are going to close this window, and then we are going to see whether it's really installed on our system or not by writing some test code, for example hello world code. So whenever you install Python, it comes with an IDE called idle. And to search that idle IDE, you can go at the top and just click this search icon here, which will open the Spotlight search, and then search for idle. So I'm going to just type IDLE for idle, and after typing idle you will be able to see this first option which says idle, and you will also be able to see this Python icon here, right? So just click on idle, which is going to open your idle IDE, and you can see it's opening, and now our idle IDE is open. So you can see this kind of interface will open whenever idle IDE starts, right? So it's going to give you the version of Python you have installed, and then it's going to give you this kind of warning whenever you start idle for the first time. So just press enter once, and you will see this kind of arrow here, right? So in order to print something, you just need to, for example, use a print method. So just write print, and then inside parentheses you can write a string to print it. So for example, I want to print hello world, so I'm going to just write hello world in between quotes. So just write print, and in parentheses and inside double quotes just write hello world, and then press enter, and then it's going to print hello world, right? So very simple, and Python is installed and working successfully on your Mac computer. Now if you want to use Python from your Mac OS terminal, you can do that also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this idle IDE. So I will open the Mac terminal now, and here first of all you just need to type Python in order to start Python. So just type Python here and then press enter, which is going to give you the Python terminal. And then once you see these three arrows, then you can use your Mac terminal as a Python terminal also. So you can just write for example print here, and the parenthesis and in the double quotes you can just write the same code you have written in your idle IDE. So I'm going to just print hello world, and then I'm going to just press enter, and it prints hello world. So either way you can use Python from your terminal also, and you can use Python from this idle IDE which comes with Python installation also. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.